Microsoft Project gives us the ability to group tasks under a summary task, thus helping us organize our project better. Suppose we already have added the tasks and we want to define our subtasks. We have already color-coded them to be easier to spot. Select the first group of subtasks, click on the Indent Task button of the ribbon, continue the process for all subtasks. In case we decide that we want to group a few tasks under a summary task, Microsoft Project has made sure we can do this in as few steps as possible. Go down to tasks 42 to 45 and select them. Click on the Add Summary Task button on the ribbon. Type the name of the new summary task and you are done. Each summary task has for a default duration the sum of its subtasks. It is not shown in the graph as the other tasks, but as a bracket. We can change this duration if we want. We can, for example, increase it if we want to give this group of tasks a few days in case of delays. Find the Security Requirements summary task, click on its duration cell, change the value to 6. Notice the change in the graph on the right. The default duration of a summary task can also be reduced. If, for example, we know that the employees assigned to the task are more efficient and will probably be able to finish the tasks earlier. Find the Security Requirements summary task, click on its duration cell, change the value to 3, and notice the change in the graph on the right. One very useful type of tasks, which can help us a lot in tracking our project's progress, are the milestone tasks. One way to add a milestone task is to simply click on the relative button of the ribbon. Let's see it in action. Go to the end of the list of tasks, select the next row from the final task, click on the Insert Milestone button of the ribbon, type the name of the new milestone task, and notice here the different icon that is used for milestones. There is one more way to add milestone tasks. The main characteristic of a milestone task is that it has a zero duration. So, any task with zero duration is considered a milestone task. So, if we have a task that we want to convert to a milestone task, all we have to do is change its duration to 0. Go to the last task, change its duration to 0 days, and the task is now a milestone task.